Hi, myself Moyed Nujum, Moyed Samir Nujum, and my colleague Dilshan Chaturanga. We're going to demonstrate our project, temperature project, which is required in our embedded system module. So basically, today we're going to do the connection to read the temperature using the thermistor here and display the temperature in the 7 segment display. So to do that, we're going to use 4 port A here, and port B and C and D. So I'm going to show the connection for port A and B, and my colleague Dilshan we're going to show the connection for port D and C. And another member of our group, who is Maiton Nobi, is going to record the result and discuss the result in the documentation. So now we're going to start with port A, connection to port A. These are the cables we're going to use. We have different color, so we can know which cable is going to where and not mix up. Here in port A, from port 1 to 4 is going to be from pin 1 to 4 in port A is going to connect to column 1 to 4 here, and 0 and 5, 0 pin will be connected to NTC, which is the thermistor. It is going to read the temperature here, this one, and the speaker we're going to use it to display the melody, and this is going to show in the next video for the output video. So we're going to start with the port 1 to 4, and we're going to do 0 to 5, 0 and 5. 1 here, so pin 1 in port A is going to be connected to column 1 on the keyboard, and port 2, pin 2 in port A is connected with column 2, okay. Use different color so will not make our job difficult. Pin 3, okay, will be connected with column 3, pin 4, with column 4, and 0 and 5 left. As we said, 5 will be for the speaker. Here's the speaker, and the NTC, and above the speaker NTC pin. So this is 0, 0 is 5, sorry. Speaker, and the long cable, NTC pin, 0. Now port A is done. I'm going to move to port B. So here the rest of the rows in the keyboard from row from 1 to 4 will be connected to the bottom pin in port B. So that will be 7, 6, 5 and 4. So we're going to connect that. So it will be 4 with 1 and the row 1. And pin 5 in port B. With row 2. Six pin with row 3. Seven port B pin 7 with row 4. And now the rest of port B from 0 to 3 is going to be connected with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, the multiplexer digits. These are the digits here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. So we're going to connect that. And 4 cables. Zero will be with 1, digit 1. Digit 2 with pin 1 in port B. And pin 3 in digit is connected with pin 2 in port B. And last one, digit 4, digit pin 4. Is connected with pin 4 in port B. Okay, so port A and port B are connected now. So we will continue with port C and D with my colleague Dilshan Chaturanga. Go.
Hi, I'm Dilshan. So I'm going to show the 7 segment and the LCD display. First of all, let's start from the 7 segment display. For display the 7 segment, we need 7 segment pins, which is A to G, and port D, which is 8 pins 0 to 7. Are we using only 0 to 6? So now we're going to connect it. Start from 0. You can see. So the black one goes to segment A, and the one goes to B, and C goes to 2, D goes to 3, and the last one is, which is 6. We don't use pin 7, and because it's the decimal point, because of that we don't use 7 and the decimal point in here segment. In this display, each row is meaning one segment point, which is, let's say the segment A is the top line, the B is the side line. So which is like, let's say my one wire is unplugged, that's mean we can find it from the display which bulb we need to plug it properly. So after that we're going to LCD display. For the connection we need the LCD display pins, which is 0 to 7, but we only using 7 to 3. And port C we need 0 to 3, 7 to 3. So we're going to plug it 7, so we plugged up to 3. Let me plug this one again to go here. and the last one we need the third one. Sorry. We don't use 0 1 2 because it's by default it's ground. So this is the connection. How it's work we can show you from next video.